So you're pouring some concrete, and you don't want your rebar sitting right on the rocks. What do? Well, you can go buy stuff to raise it up. There's stuff you can buy. Yeah. But this is a DIY show, so what would you make? Well, we like to repurpose stuff. So what I do doing, got an umbrella that was broken, and I'm taking the metal sticks and chopping them down to pieces, and then I'm bending them into basically big staples. Then I'm taking the wire, just some small gauge steel wire, twist tie it around it, and that will be tied to the rebar, and the little stand will go into the rocks just a little bit and hold up the rebar. Is it perfect? No. You have to be careful because pouring cement in and stuff can push that stuff into the dirt into the rocks, and you won't have the height you want, etc., etc. But there's ways to guarantee you get the right height. You just have to be careful. So this is all the tools I used. I got a Dremel with a little cut blade. I just cut about a third of the way into the umbrella metal and then snap it, and it works pretty good that way. And then I got this little tabletop vise, stuck it on this little tiny table to make my little workshop. I've got extra cutting blades. I've got the tool that changes them because you can break them suckers, and I've broken a couple. I think there's down on the ground there. Yeah. Anyway, got some different pliers, wire cutter, and that's what I'm making, little staples. Pretty much that's all there is to it. So I hope that info helps you. Thank you for listening to my stuff. I am almost ready to pour concrete, build my water tank that I'm building in my greenhouse. So those videos are coming. We'll see you then. Thank you.